So we're at 2, 9. Good here. I'm almost there. Here. Ta-da! That is acceptable. 23 3/4 to that point right there. That's where I got to cut to right here. That's pretty. And just like that, we have 1 of 4. Yay me. There. On. There you go. That's pretty good. That wasn't good. There's the top. Right into there, just like it was supposed to. Over here. Right there. Don't let it move. You got it? Yeah. You have to hold it for a while. Yes, it's heavy. This one and oop. So there you have it, the fourth installment on the medicine cabinet. Now, if you want to see the how-to on this, I actually have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How-To, where I talk through and I teach, and all of the teaching goes over there. I actually put out one video every day over on that channel. So if you want to go over and take a look at that, there's a lot more information over there. This channel is the easy watching and the ASMR-ish version of it. So I hope you like that. If you do have any questions, thoughts, or ideas, or want to see the full series in this, go down below. I do have links to the full build series in the description, as well as if you comment down below or join one of the people who just write comment down below. Thank you. You guys are the reason that I can keep doing this, because you help us get in front of more people. You help the algorithm. You know how this works. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It gets us in front of more people and really is beneficial. But if you really like me, think about becoming a patron on Patreon. All of these people over here, those are fantastic, benevolent, gorgeous, wonderful people over on Patreon. Because without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you guys. You help us keep going. You keep the lights on. You allow me to do things like this. Thank you for that. Between patrons and members of the channel, you are the sponsors for Wood by Wright. So if you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. Click the description and links down below and all that type of jazz. I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. This is not a lightweight project, but in the next video, we will shed some light on this project.